Today we are going to learn to how to draw the figure of heart. First of all, if you want to draw the figure of heart, then you have to draw a line like this, and you have to make a curve. Then you have to also make a curve like this. Simply now you can draw a figure of heart in very simple way. Likewise, you can draw a line and downwards also a line. Then you have to make a valve. After making a valve, you have to make a arc of iota like this, and also making a valve known as pulmonary valve. Then after making the pulmonary valve, you have to draw the aortic valve. After drawing the aortic valve, you have to draw the left atrium. After drawing this, you have to make the drawing like this, known as pulmonary artery. After drawing this, you have to make this, and after drawing it, you have to make the lower border of the heart, and also make two pulmonary vein which collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs like this. After making it, the lower border must be drawn from here, and this. After making this, you must draw like this. Then after, you have to make septum, which divide the heart into left and right side. We have to make also a valve. Now you can level it. Human heart, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle,